So getting the chimney torn down well below the roof line here comes apart pretty easy. So that's kind of nice. I can leave this for now to kind of has a natural dam built around it. Just covered up now for the rain till we get ready to tear this roof off. And another exciting thing that is happening is the electric company showed up to replace that pole, so that way we can get some other power source on here, because all we have right now is this 100 amp coming to the house right to there, and we want to disconnect that because we need to replace this roof, and it's within a couple feet of the roof right there. So this needs to happen first. So pretty exciting stuff. One thing that we did is we tore the chimney out. You can see the hole up there. That was quite a project. Got that down right into down there into the basement down there. So we got a little bit to do down in there yet, but we got most of that done. I'll walk you out here just to show you in the dumpster what we did. But one thing I was thinking about on these daily videos, if you guys enjoy these videos, let me know. Also, one thing that I'd like to do is like an attitude of gratitude, you know, like something I'd like to pick something out every day that I'm grateful for, and I would like you guys down in the comments, let me know something that you're grateful for today. I think that would be a really cool thing to do. So I think one thing I'm grateful for today is healthy body. I feel strong, I feel healthy, and I'm really grateful for that. And my children are healthy, my family's healthy. So let me know something that you guys are thankful for. Flip you around here. You can show you here. Some of them we're going to repurpose, but some of this is just garbage. So we're going to just one less thing to deal with. So we're getting somewhere with that. So that's a quick update on things that we've been doing today. One thing I forgot to tell you is in this part of the house, most of this part of the original house, there was all this flooring. We got just a little bit left right in here. It's like a wide plank heart pine flooring, and it was pretty much everywhere in here. It was really covering some old boards with big gaps, but anyway, it's amazing how well it held up with all the humps and bumps in the floor, how well it stayed together. But one thing that was interesting is we found a name on some of this stamped on here, and I thought this was kind of cool, but it's Swift Hunter, and it was from somewhere in Alabama. So yeah, it's Atmore, Alabama. That's another stamp, and it must be number 3 grade because it does have a lot of imperfections underneath. Like a lot of it had a lot of bark on it and stuff. Doing a little search on this, the company's still in business. It's called Swift Lumber now, I believe, but it was still Swift Hunter from the mid-1920s to the mid-1950s. And if this was built in the early 50s, that would pretty much track with that still saying Swift Hunter. So anyway, that was pretty cool, just finding that little bit of history.